Number 1. 1988 GMC 1500, price $9,000, finished in white with a burgundy interior. It features a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Although the odometer shows 248,000 miles, both the engine and transmission have been rebuilt. Despite that, the truck runs and drives excellently with no known mechanical issues. A standout feature of this truck is the new AC compressor, which ensures the air conditioning blows cold and functions perfectly. All other power options are in working order as well. This California truck is completely rust-free and sits on a staggered set of American racing wheels, giving it an aggressive stance that's complemented by a professionally applied spray-in bedliner. Inside, it's been upgraded with a Sony touchscreen head unit and custom kicker comp subwoofers housed in a custom box, offering excellent sound quality. The truck comes with a clean California title and is currently registered through September 2025. Number 2. 1981 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. It features a blue exterior paired with a black interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a built 350 V8 engine mated to a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance. The body is straight overall, though it does show typical rust for a 44-year-old truck in common areas such as the doors, around the windshield, and the rear quarter of the bed. Despite its age, the truck remains a great candidate for restoration while being fully drivable in its current state. It comes equipped with working power windows and power door locks. Importantly, it has a clean title under the current owner's name and is registered through January 2026. Since the truck originally came with a diesel engine, it is permanently exempt from smog testing. Number 3. 1974 Ford F100, price $9,000. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. While it doesn't come with power steering or air conditioning, it carries plenty of vintage character. A 1979 front grille gives it a unique touch, setting it apart from others of the same era. Mechanically, it has received some notable updates, including a brand new transmission and driveshaft installed in February 2025. A new carburetor and spark plugs were also added in October 2024, ensuring improved performance. The truck does run, though it needs to be properly warmed up, otherwise, it may shut off. However, it starts right back up without issue. Included with the truck are classic mirrors and a vintage-style radio, adding to its nostalgic appeal. Number 4. 1990 Toyota pickup, price $10,000, well-maintained California truck with a clean title and absolutely no rust, making it a solid and reliable choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic. Powered by the legendary 4-cylinder 22RE engine and paired with an automatic transmission and column shifter, this truck runs smoothly with no mechanical issues. It has approximately 266,000 miles on the odometer, yet continues to perform exceptionally well thanks to its up-to-date maintenance record. It passes California smog checks with ease and has current registration tags. The interior and exterior are both in clean, good condition. The truck is equipped with nearly all the SR5 package upgrades, including cold-blowing air conditioning, LED headlights and interior lights, and a rear-view camera for added convenience. The blue exterior and matching blue interior offer a classic look, while features like the bed mat enhance its practicality. Number 5. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in white, and while the interior color wasn't specified, the overall condition of the truck is well maintained. It's currently used as a daily driver and performs without any issues. Recently, the front-end suspension was redone, and a leveling kit was installed to enhance both the stance and handling. The truck now rides on brand new 33-inch tires, offering improved road presence and off-road capability. One standout feature is the cold air conditioning, making it a comfortable drive even in hot weather. This 1500 has clearly been well taken care of and remains dependable for everyday use. Number 6. 1968 Ford F100, price $6,000. This truck is a classic pickup with 86,000 miles, finished in matching burgundy exterior and interior. It's powered by a reliable 240 Ci straight-six engine paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and drives strong with smooth shifting. All electronics, including lights, fan, and AM radio, work perfectly. It has a clean Texas title and has received extensive recent maintenance, including a new 3-core aluminum radiator, hoses, thermostat, water pump, HEI distributor, carburetor, fuel system components, motor mounts, brake master cylinder, and tires.
It also features a refreshed steering system, new front suspension bushings, and a custom exhaust done by Buddy's Muffler in Leander. Number 7.
1966 Chevrolet C10, price $9,400. This is a solid truck with great potential, originally from the dry climate of New Mexico. It features a charcoal exterior, black interior, and runs on gasoline. Powered by its original 283 small block V8, it's been upgraded with an HEI distributor, Edelbrock intake, and a freshly rebuilt Holley 600 CFM Street Avenger carburetor. A remanufactured 700R4 automatic transmission and new driveshaft have been installed, along with an electric fan for improved cooling. The truck has a 3/5 drop spring setup and rides on new tires, including the spare. The fuel tank has been relocated to the rear, a common and smart upgrade. All gauges work, including the speedometer and fuel gauge. While it runs well, it still has manual drum brakes, and a disc brake conversion is recommended. It comes with a clean Texas title in hand.
Number 8.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. It has 190,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with the trusted 5.0L Vortec V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and has been used mainly as a dependable work truck. Despite its mileage, it still starts up and runs strong, making it a solid option for those in need of a tough daily hauler. The truck features a gray exterior with a rare and eye-catching turquoise interior, giving it a bit of personality that sets it apart. It sits on good tires, ready to hit the road or job site. While it does need a new windshield and attention to the AC system, overall it remains a reliable and functional vehicle. With a little care, it could continue serving well for many miles to come.
Number 9.
1993 Chevrolet S10, price $5,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 4.3L fuel-injected V6 engine that runs strong. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a gray interior, the truck has recently received several upgrades to enhance both comfort and performance.
The air conditioning blows cold, thanks to a newly installed AC blower switch.
Other recent maintenance includes a new radiator, new serpentine belt, fresh oil change, and 4 new shocks all around. It also comes with nearly new tires on all 4 corners and brakes that are in good condition. Inside, the truck features a newly replaced headliner and a high-quality new seat cover, giving the cabin a refreshed and comfortable feel. While the exterior paint could use some attention, it can either be left as is for a rugged, worn-in look or repainted for a cleaner finish.
Number 10.
1971 Ford F250, price $5,500, finished in a vibrant yellow exterior and powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and features a straight body with no rust, making it a standout example of a classic workhorse. The truck has received a long list of recent updates, including brand new tires, brakes, wheel cylinders, bearings, and wheel seals. The carburetor has been professionally rebuilt, and the ignition system has been refreshed with new spark plugs, a new distributor cap, and a new rotor. The fuel system has also been overhauled with a new fuel pump, lines, and filters. Under the hood, the engine benefits from fresh oil and a new oil filter, along with a new air filter to ensure clean airflow. The transmission has been serviced with fresh fluid, a new transmission pan, and a new filter, ensuring smooth and reliable shifts.